Are you making poop pancakes or are you making poop soup? You got that mixture out there, that stuff you buy at the store, and it turns your black tank discharge into pancake batter. That sticks all over your sensors and then your sensors never work. Instead, you need to mix some poop soup spice. Why? Let me show you. So, battery, full, fresh, empty, black, the infamous black, sensor, empty, gray, empty. So 4 years old and all the sensors still work, because poop soup spice is better than poop pancake batter. Let's take a look. Okay, now you know why you should pay attention to the recipe. Here's the recipe. And I didn't make this up. I got this from a company that cleans RV tanks. And so if this is what they use, I figure it must be pretty good stuff. And it seems to work well for me. So the recipe makes a gallon. So what I did is I got, but you use 8 ounces at a time per tank. So I just got a measuring cup and a funnel. And 2 cups is 8 ounces, and 2 cups, 2 cups, 2 cups, 2 cups, and mark the on the gallon jug where it's at. So as I pour it, I know when to stop. And then the recipe is, and again I'll have a link in the description, but it's 40 ounces of pine sol, and a cup of Calgon Take Me Away. So we're gonna mix and get our poop soup spice ready to roll for camping season. Okay, it's kind of windy out here, so I duct taped my funnel to my my poop soup spice jug. So there is that. Get it a little bit in camera. But so recipe calls for 1 cup of Calgon Take Me Away beads. There we go. So we'll fill this up. Oop, made a mess. That's why I'm outside. All right, so the got a little bit of water in the bottom of this jug. I don't know if you can see that, but just so the beads set in and start dissolving a little bit. So in we go. All right, beads are in, and then next, like I said, we got 40 ounces of pine sol. And so 40 divided by 4 is about the only thing I got, is 10 cups. So I won't make you watch all 10 cups, but we're going to pour 1, and 2, and the magic of video 10. All right, so there's our mixture. I'm gonna fill the rest of that up with water, and then we're gonna go put some in the camper. All right, addition. Poop soup, shake before use. Stuff to settle out. All right, got my toilet for my black tank, and no water on. Pour it down. That was our 8 ounces down to the first line. And then I have a 5 gallons of water that we just filled. Let's see if I can open. Alright, that's my riding and driving recipe. 5 gallons in the tank for some good sloshing while we're going down the road. Alright, then I've got 2 gray tanks. One for the shower, so we're going to add some more poop soup spice to the gray tanks also. So pour that in a little more. All right, and then it takes me about 2.5 minutes to fill up the 5-gallon bucket. So I'm just going to run the from the shower. So I'm just going to run the shower for about 2.5 minutes, and that'll put 5 gallons in the gray tank. And finally, spice in the kitchen sink for my other gray tank. And there we go, about there. Alright, I think that feels like a job well done. Now it's time for some me time. Hey look, cops. Last place you can find cops on TV, that's Pluto TV. But just remember, say no, just say no to the poop pancake batter, say yes to the poop soup spice, and like and subscribe for more great content.